Nestled in the heart of Franklin County, Iowa, this roughly 297-acre property offers a rare blend of natural beauty, diverse wildlife habitat, recreational opportunity, and income potential. The Iowa River winds through the property, creating a rich and dynamic environment teeming with wildlife. With thriving populations of deer, turkey, pheasant, and waterfowl, it's a dream destination for avid hunters and nature enthusiasts alike. The river also provides opportunities for fishing, kayaking, and peaceful riverside enjoyment. The land features a diverse mix of mature timber, including oak, maple, and walnut, along with strategically planted walnut groves and ongoing timber stand improvement efforts. Wetlands and strong stands of native prairie grasses like switchgrass, big blue stem, and native forbs further enhance the habitat. Conservation and income go hand in hand here. CRP contracts contribute both to landscape preservation and consistent annual income, while a conservation easement protects the land's ecological integrity for future generations. Despite its private, off-the-beaten-path feel, the property located near Dallas, Iowa, offers quick access to I-35. Combining seclusion with convenience, limited road frontage ensures both privacy and minimal disturbance. Whether you're a conservation-minded landowner, a savvy investor, or a passionate outdoorsman looking for a legacy property, this diverse and well-managed tract offers a truly rare opportunity in one of Iowa's most desirable regions. To make it yours, call Iowa land specialist Patrick Lentz today.